Today I'm going to make a Cassareep chicken for lunch, which I'll be eating with rice and some vegetables. I hope you like this recipe and you will subscribe to my channel and try this recipe for yourself. Cassareep chicken is a Guyanese dish. It's a sauce. Majority of Guyanese use this sauce to make pepper pot and cassareep chicken, and some people use it in other dishes. And these are the ingredients for my cassareep chicken. I have 2 chicken legs, 2 thighs, 2 drumsticks. I have some dry thyme leaves, half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of rosemary leaves, one small onion, a green chili, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 4 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cassareep to the chicken. In this skillet, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of canola oil. So I added 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Now my oil is very hot at the moment, so I'm going to add in the onion and the pepper. And I'm going to add the garlic and the ginger. Smells very nice. I'm going to crush the dry thyme leaves and add it to the mixture. Also, I will add the other ingredients. I'm just going to add my tomato paste and my 1 tablespoon of cassareep. I'm going to add my chicken. And mix it well. Make sure all the seasoning is coated on the chicken everywhere. Chicken is well coated. Turn it over. Let the other side cook. I'll cover this now and let it cook for about 5 minutes. On very low heat. Now the chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I just want to turn it a little on the side. Looks like it's about half cooked. I'm going to add about half a cup of water because I would like my chicken to cook well. So it's about half a cup of water. At this time, I'm also going to check to make sure I have enough salt. So I'm going to just taste. It just needs a little bit more salt. So I'm going to go ahead and add about a half a teaspoon more of salt. Oh wow, it's falling off the bone already. Now I'm going to cover this and let it cook for another 5 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes. I just want to check my chicken to see how it's doing. Now I'll cover it and let it continue to cook. So it's been about 5 minutes and this is how the chicken looks, but I need to let it cook until the water that half a cup of water that I added is completely dried up, and by that time the chicken will be very tender. So the total cook time for this is about 25 minutes. I'm going to cover it back and let it cook for another 20 minutes and then it'll be ready. So it's been about a total of 25 minutes and my chicken is now ready. It's well cooked and it has the amount of gravy that I need to go with this chicken, which is really nice. The sauce has a little bit of sauce, and that's what I need. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove off and take this chicken down. Well, here you have it, my Cassareep chicken, my version of the Guyanese Cassareep chicken. Now, time to taste. Wow, this is nice. Wow, this is so good. This is delicious. Gotta have another piece. Wow, this is really good. Delicious. So here you have it, Guyanese Cassareep chicken. I hope you will try this recipe and you will subscribe to my channel.